Bully breeds round children. She's whacking him. No response. The media won't want you to see that. They're only playing. Don't panic, guys. She's whacking him. No response. Gracie, please don't do that. No, please don't do that. Nope, that's enough. But here we are, bull breeds everywhere. It's madness. She's not scared. He's not scared. That's the XL bully. Look at the size difference between the large breed. This is an Irish Stafford, don't worry. I know what he is. There's Buster and XL bully. Huge in comparison. 8 months old, the XL bully is. And look at him.